Hello everyone, this is Shantanu Ghosh from Global Systems Kolkata. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about AngularJS. We expect that the details provided to you by us will be helpful to you to take a challenging and positive decision in your academic and professional domain. So let's start with our topic AngularJS. Angular JavaScript is an open source web application framework. It is originally developed in 2009 by Mark Havery and Adam Abrams. It is now maintained by Google. So let's discuss the definition of AngularJS. AngularJS is a structured framework for dynamic web application. It lets you use HTML as your template language and lets you extend the HTML syntax to express your application components clearly and explicitly. Its data binding and dependency injection eliminates such the code you currently have to write, and it all happens within the browser, making it an ideal partner within the server technology. Like every other web applications, it has such general features. So the general features of AngularJS are: AngularJS is an efficient framework that can create RIA, which is called Rich Internet Applications. AngularJS provides developers an option to write client-side application using JavaScript in a clean model view controller, which is also called as MVC way. Applications written in AngularJS are cross-browser compliant. AngularJS automatically handles JavaScript code suitable for each browser. AngularJS is an open source, completely free, and used by thousands of developers around the world. It is licensed under the Apache license version 2.0. So overall, AngularJS is a framework to build large-scale, high-performance and kind of web applications. The key features of AngularJS are data binding, scope, controller, services, filters, directives, templates, routing, model view, whatever, deep linking, and dependency injections. So it's time to talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages of the Angular JavaScript framework. So let's start with the advantages of AngularJS. So first advantage is that the AngularJS code is unity testable. It provides the capability to create a single page application in a very clean and maintainable way. It provides data binding capability to HTML, thus it gives user a rich and responsive experience. AngularJS uses dependency injection, make use of a separation of concerns. AngularJS provides reusable of components. With AngularJS, the developers can achieve more functionality with shortcode. In AngularJS, views are pure HTML pages, and controllers written in JavaScript do the business processing. On the top of everything, AngularJS application can run in all major browsers and smartphones, including Android, iOS-based phones, tablets. Now, the disadvantages of the AngularJS. AngularJS have two major demerits, like it is not secure and it is not degradable. The meaning of it's not secure is, being JavaScript framework, application written in AngularJS are not safe because the server-side authentication and authorization is must to keep an application secure. And non-degradable means if the user of your application disables the JavaScript, then nothing will be visible except the basic page. So these are the demerits of the AngularJS. So now we come to the end of the session. We hope that you enjoyed the session. If you liked and enjoyed the session, then stay tuned with GlobeNet Systems because more informative sessions are coming up soon. If you liked the session, then please press the subscribe button and please like and share this session and the videos of GlobeNet Systems. Thank you.